the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you letters, sent a message to you that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room, working on my first record. Skip to the present, and I still haven't released it. But it's okay, 'cause the new songs are way better. That's what it feels like, haven't been so happy ever.
What's up? It's Annabelle. Welcome back to another vlog, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So this morning I got up and did a little workout. You guys probably saw the little montage right before this, and came home, cleaned my room. After my workout, I was literally leaving the gym, and they were having like a little event, and they offered me like a little muffin. It was a Panera pastry, and then they also had like this juice company that sent over some juices. So I had a juice and a muffin this morning. It was really good, and got a little hot Pilates workout in, which was also amazing. I'm gonna link this set below. I have like a million of them. I love them so much. They're so comfy, and they're literally from Amazon. They're probably like, I think they're like 30 bucks, but I'm amazed at the quality. It's insane, because I feel like at most places like Lulu or Set Active or places like that, a top is $60 itself, and this is like 30 for the whole thing. So such a steal. But yeah, that was like so random. I just wanted to mention that. But I'm gonna go shower now. I feel disgusting. I feel really gross, and I need to shower before I get my day going. I have some homework that I need to get done, and I want to throw on some makeup and just get ready for the day. But I wanted to show you guys real quick. I got some new products in the mail from Geology, and I'm so excited to talk to you guys about it. They sent over their cooling hair wash, which is the co-wash. It's one of their new products. And then they also sent over a 4-step skincare routine. So they sent over an everyday face wash, an eye cream, a night cream with 2% retinol, and a moisturizing morning cream. And you guys know how I am with skincare. I'm so excited to try new things. Whenever I see a new product that I think could do something great for my skin, I'm down to use it, especially with the retinol in it. And this also has hyaluronic acid, and I was really confused at first because I was like, literally, what in the world is that? It's not a shampoo, and it's not a conditioner, and it's not a 2-in-1. The co-wash is literally just a natural wash for your hair that cleanses and cleans your hair without stripping it of its natural oils, which is so nice. Also have a smoothing hair co-wash, which is avocado, and I believe it's coconut oil. Yeah, coconut oil. And I definitely can't wait to try that one. I'm a huge fan of coconut. I put aloe vera on my skin all the time, so I'm sure it can benefit my hair as well. The ingredients are so natural, and they also offer like body washes, deodorants. It's all tested by the dermatologist, which is so nice. You always want your products tested. They're hooking you guys up with 30% off the co-wash with my code, but also they're offering 70% off the skincare just for you guys. So if you want to try both, All the info will be linked down below. My code will be on the screen. Go check it out and get yourself a new skincare routine and some really awesome co-wash. Definitely be sure to try out the coconut for me, because right now I'm trying the tea tree and I'll let you guys know how I like it. Click the link below, head to geology.com, use my code Annabelle70, take the free, there's like a free skincare and hair care test. I literally want to spell it out for you guys. You can see it right here, Geologie, geology. That's it. Okay. Let's go take a long shower. Hi guys, so a little bit of an update. It is a few hours later and I showered. I used the co-wash and I'm in love, to say the least. Actually, I loved the cooling effect that it had on my scalp. Like, I really enjoyed it with the tea tree oil. Yeah, I like it. But I blow dried my hair, obviously. And I just finished putting links into a description for a video I just uploaded, so I changed. Obviously, I'm wearing these Aligns from Lulu. These leggings are like literally my favorite of all time. I'm wearing the camo ones, the black camo, and then I'm wearing the sweatshirt from Table Rock. But I'm gonna go downstairs and eat because I just got really hungry. So I'm gonna go down there and eat, and I might pop open an Alani because I could kind of go for one right now, but I also can't decide if I want a coffee instead, or maybe even a matcha. I don't know, figure it out. But yeah, we're having a really bad skin day. Like, it's bad. But I'm gonna try and use the skincare. I didn't do the skincare yet, so I'm gonna do that later. I just want to let my skin breathe before I put anything on it. So yeah, but let's head downstairs and get some breakfast, brunch. It's kind of late now, so. My room is like so cold too, which I kind of love. It's like officially fall because since I have the biggest room in the house, it's over the garage, and my room gets so cold during the winter fall months. And so I like technically need a heater, but it gets super hot in the fall, in the summer too. But it feels good. Except I woke up this morning and my throat hurt because of like the air circulation. It was so cold. Yeah, let's go make some food because I'm starving. You guys, super quick update. I've been editing this video that you're watching now and also cooking up some food. So I just took these two out of the oven and I might put them back in for a little longer, but I'm making one of my favorite meals. It's so yummy. It's white rice with, you can do bell peppers. I prefer bell peppers, but you can do any kind of pepper you want. But I just did a green bell pepper and then 2 red onions and broccoli and pineapple, but this time I added carrots because I've never done that before. So yeah, and I also put chicken on it sometimes, but I'm not going to do it right now because I don't have the time for it. But this is the sauce that I use on top and it's so yummy. You can also do teriyaki and it's really good as well, but I prefer the peanut sauce. I think it's yummy, but yay, I can't wait to eat. It's gonna be so good. And I think that's it for now. I'm just preparing for dinner later and I wanted to go ahead and do it early because I know I'm gonna be busy later. So quick little morning prep for later. And I also have some pineapple in here as well. A little update, so it's a lot later and I just threw on this Table Rock hat. I'm trying to wear these more so it'll like shape to my head, like fit my head. I don't know, maybe I need to tighten it. But I think this is the end of the vlog. I showed you guys that I chopped up some food and prepared like an early dinner for tonight, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and like get ready for the day and throw on some makeup and do my hair. But yeah, that was my little fall morning routine. I want to do another one of these maybe in like November and add in some fun stuff like going to a coffee shop or something. So it's kind of just like a simple morning routine, working out, coffee, breakfast, etc. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already, and follow my TikTok, my Instagram, everything's down below, and shop my Amazon faves, my Revolve faves, everything's below. So yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.